Hey everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome back. I'm going to be doing another 10 on 10 project using my Feed Your Craft stash. This is going to be June, and yet again, I chose a different design. I'm totally okay with embracing different designs and trying out different ways to document the month. This month I had two photos that worked great for almost a 3x8 photo. So I'm going to do one on the left and then I'll have one on the second page. And then the smaller photos did stay somewhat the same at 2.5 by 3.5. Since I do all my planning in Photoshop Elements, I had already picked my color scheme, which was blue and purple and green, playing off of the two large photos, and then I die cut a bunch of digital hearts. So the photo on the far right is going to be me mopping the floor. I'm not quite sure why I chose this photo, but in the end, I'm not going to like the top half where you could kind of see the dirty floor, so I am going to cluster the heck out of that top portion of my project. And I actually really like how it came together. I just used a variety of things that I had cut out and the different supplies that I have. I also am going to come back in just a minute with all my journaling cards because I had some journaling cards and I decided to just type them out and then print them instead of just writing by hand. So you can see the photo of me mopping. I started with a green heart, and I am getting out my ruler once again because I like to keep everything straight. I also did print out on clear sticker paper two borders. For the left page, or this page right here, I printed out now and here and now. And then on the other one, I printed today. And so I am just going to lay those on top for a fun border. And I also got out my new messy stamp set, and I'm going to use that to stamp some messy circles. I was going to put that green heart down, and then that's when I decided I wanted some messy circles. I wanted something to kind of have a place for the die cuts and the other stamped phrases, a place for them to rest. And I've also done that before in other 10 on 10 projects as well. Up here at the top right corner, you might be wondering what that Barbie is, but it is summertime, and summertime means that I have to make bras or bathing suits for Barbies because they don't come with them. I don't know why, but that really bugs me. They come with underwear, but they don't come with a top. So I make a top out of washi tape. So 'tis the season for Barbie washi tape bra making. I also stamped currently with this photo of me waking up in the morning. I look haggard and my makeup looks a mess. I decided, you know what, I'm just going to include it. Whatever. I was kind of questioning why I included that photo, but hey, it's real life. What can you do? And then this photo of my family members, we all look like cartoons. It's that app that everybody was talking about. And I spent like the afternoon laughing with my friend about it. And so I included a little collage and then a little snippet at the bottom. I actually wound up having to trim a lot of the photo edges off and then covering up the noteworthy because it wasn't going to fit the journaling and the collage. But I have a black sticker that says noteworthy, and I will just use that in place of where I covered up it on the journaling card. I also decided to take a photo of my freezer that was jam-packed with food, and I really like that as a different way to include a different type of photo in my project. And here, like I said, I have the today border, and then I'll do a messy stamp circle and then add in a blue die cut heart. And then at the bottom, I'll add some more messy stamping. And I'll make a little cluster where the refrigerator picture is and add in a purple little die cut heart. Okay, so this is where I start to build on that photo of me mopping. I put in the large sticker that says you are here. So I put that in, and then I'm going to add a few more stamped phrases in just a little bit. I stamped and added, definitely not happy about this because the reason I'm holding the remote is because I had to take it away from two preteens who were going bonkers with trying to watch YouTube. So that's why I had to put that little stamped phrase. Back to the mop photo, I added in today in review. I'll also add in later on Thursday, and then I had a house die cut. And for the fridge photo, I use Getting Things Done. I've used that stamp for many months because it works for so many reasons. And I have a little tiny heart stamp that I am going to stamp in all the different clusters that I'm making, and then I can finish up this spread. I was trying to decide if I should put a blue heart right there, but I switched the sizes. So the big one can go over at the left with the border, and then the other one can go on the right, which makes a lot more sense. All right, there you go. 2 more pages and another month documented for 10 on 10. I just love this project. I hope you enjoyed. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.